Why is micro-concrete a preferred choice? Dear friends, micro-concrete become popular due to its practicality, durability, and cost. Here are several reasons why more and more turn to it. Pre-mixed for easy use. Micro-concrete is available in a pre-mixed form, which consists of ground cement, water-resistant resins, and special additives. This means that on-site mixing is not required, saving a lot of time and labor effort. Low water content. Micro-concrete requires a very low amount of water to prepare it. It has a fine powder texture, making it easy and fast to mix with water and producing a workable and smooth consistency. This not only saves preparation time but also minimizes water consumption as opposed to regular concrete, thereby cutting the total project costs and supporting environmental friendliness. Fast drying time. Micro-concrete dries significantly faster than regular concrete. Because of this, it is used for projects which require quick time. These dries hard in a few hours, whereas the natural concrete takes days to cure. It is an ideal commercial and residential construction solution. Easy application without heavy equipment, applicable by the micro-concrete method, no heavy machinery is needed. It reduces the cost of labor and eliminates special tools needed, hence, making it both a DIY option and a simple solution for a professional builder. Low permeability. Low permeability gives the material a water-resistant property that will prevent seepage into the surface of the underlying structure. This maintains the integrity of the material as no water seepage or penetration occurs into it. Due to its ability to repel water, this concrete is suitable for surfaces exposed to moisture, including bathroom, kitchen, and outdoor applications. Long-lasting. Micro-concrete is structured to be long-wearing, which makes it perform well under high traffic. With a composition that includes cement, polymers, and additives, it offers excellent mechanical strength, which can resist cracking or chipping. Cost-effective solution. Micro-concrete is, therefore, very cheap to use since it comes ready mixed and, hence, easy to apply. In this way, time will be significantly reduced, saving on labor costs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.